It is absolutely intriguing. Some of the reasons why some sports fans rate or don't rate their respective sports stars. Boxing legend Muhammad Ali, for example, was seen by many as the greatest because of his vocal stance against the Vietnam War and other social issues of the day. Current Lakers basketball star LeBron James gets high ratings for being a champion of the current Black Lives Matter movement. Young tennis star Naomi Osaka is already creating waves with her public stance against injustice. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but I rate Muhammad Ali because of his boxing skills and his boxing achievements, and not because of his political activism. I rate LeBron James as a basketballer because of his basketball skills and his body of basketball work, and I couldn't care less what he does off the court. Look at Argentine football legend Diego Maradona. For me, one of, if not the greatest player ever, despite being a drug-using wreck of the field. Yes, Usain Bolt is the greatest and most dominant sprinter ever, not because he bought some sports gears or a school bus for William Nib, yes, or because he's Jamaican or because he's black, but because of his marauding brilliance on the track. And if Usain Bolt was white and was from Iceland and dominated the world of sprinting, running 9.58 and 19.19, he would have get the same ratings from me. Yes, yes. But I just be that, yeah. I just the maverick that, and so me see it.